Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare सर्वप्रथम मेरे पास
only one, not two.
नेत्र लीला प्रविष्ट अष्टोत्तर सत्यवाद भक्ति वेदांत श्री महाराज एवं नेत्र लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णु का अष्टोत्तर सत्यवाद भक्ति वेदांत श्री महाराज के चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि शासन ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णववृंद परम निवासिला मातृवृंद सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम चढ़ाते। हम लोग श्रीमद् भागवतम
We have been reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, chapter 10, 27. Canto 10, chapter 27.
जिसमें
Adhan.
ये नंद महाराज
Here, this Nanda Maharaj, he observed Ekadasi, and then the next day, it was Asuri Kal. That is the time before the Brahma Murta. Asur. And he during the Ashura time, in the morning before the Brahma Murti, the time that is Asura Kal is called the time that's before Brahma Murti. At that time, Nanda Baba went to have snan, bath in the Yamuna. So Brahma Murt is 1 hour 36 minutes before the sunrise. That is called Brahma Murt. So if you have a bath before that time is called Asuri Snan. But what time is it like before the Brahma Murti? So when before the sunrise, for example, let's say the sunrise is at 6 o'clock. Then Brahma Murti would start 4:30. If you have snan before 4:30, that is called Asuri Snan. He said he's asking a question whether you have a bath at home or outside. So Maharaj said it doesn't matter whether you have a bath at home or in a river. No, it doesn't matter where you have bath. Bath is bath, right? Yes.
It had to be in the Yamuna.
No.
Yeah.
Even at home.
Yeah,
Yeah, even the bath could be at home. You're having bath at home, but if you're having it before 4:30, like not 4:30, if the sunrise is at 6 o'clock.
Oh, you have to have an hour and a half before.
Yeah, 1 hour 36 minutes. So before, so if you have bath before 4:30, then that is called Ashur Kal. So before worshipping the Thakurji, you have to have bath. You cannot wake Thakurji up before having a bath. So in order to wake Thakurji up, you have to have bath. If you cannot do proper snan, then you have to wash your feet and wash your feet, legs and arms and do the snan mantra. And then only you can go to the temple, inside the temple. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadev Goswami is mentioned that Nanda Maharaj, what time did he have snan? That time was Asuri Snan. What did Nanda Maharaj do? At that he had a snan at night in Yamuna. What is? It's Varun Dev. Who is the Dev? Varun Dev. Varun Dev is the
इसलिए वरुण के अनुचर सेवक लोग क्या की नंद महाराज के पकड़ करके ले गए.
So Varun Dev took Nanda Maharaj to where? So Brajavasis, Brahmamurta was around Brahmamurta. The Brajavasis wrote that, oh, Nanda Baba is not in his bed. He's not. So somebody said that he went to have snan in Yamuna 4 times. So around everybody started to talk around in the Braj that where is Nanda Baba? Where is Nanda Baba? And then they told Krishna, hey Krishna, where is your father gone? It's charging, but the battery is so low. All the people who used to live with Nanda Maharaj, they all started to search for Nanda Maharaj. So they started to pray because they couldn't find Nanda Baba anywhere around. So they, hey Krishna, hey Balaram, where is your Pitaji Nanda Baba? Thank you. That they said, hey, well, because he went to have a snan at Ashur time, that's why maybe they started to assume that maybe that Varun Dev has kidnapped him or taken him. Yesterday we spoke that Nand Maharaj, why did he go and have a bath in Asuri's Kala, Asuri time? Did he not know the scriptures? Did he? He cannot say that. The Nitya mother and father, who is eternal mother and father of Bhagwan, Maya cannot touch them. Maya cannot touch them. Still, but because of the Bhagwan's Leela, the Yog Maya arranged, she went into the mind of Nanda Maharaj that now is Brahmamurti. At that time, the Katha that we are listening about, at that time they didn't have any clock. How did they know the time? They look at the sun. At daytime, they look at the sun, and that's how they could tell the time.
सारे नक्षत्र आदि देख करके उस समय लोग जो है
At that time, at night. And that's how at the night time they look at the sky or the moon, like, you know, and they would tell what time it is. And during the daytime they look at where the sun is, and the position of, from the position of the sun they could tell what time it was. Now though there is no watch, mobile phone. They don't even have watch now. They keep mobile phone. You know, mobile phone you can, the watch you can get maybe 400 rupees or 500 rupees. But mobile, what is the value of clock, watch now? When I was young, when it was, when they used to get married. Ginger? What is ginger? Yeah. Ginger is what? Chain. Okay, so what Maharaj is saying that in olden days, like when people used to get married, they would give a gift. Gift was a watch and a chain. Pitar, you know, it was pitar. They just like decorated it with, covered it with like gold plated, you know. So it wasn't so expensive. And they, so the marriage, they used to give that a gift as watch. I have a watch. I can't do without it. Mobile. I like watches.
I lost my dog.
Oh. You know, they used to get a bicycle as a gift. In old days, you know, in the village, they would say, you're given a bicycle, you know, when they get married. When they get married to the daughter, you know, the in-laws of the groom would give them a bicycle. Or they would say, Baba. Or they're given her a torch as well. A torch with a bicycle as well. Torch. So at night. But nowadays, even the motorcycle, if we give a motorcycle as a gift, it's no value. See, 90,000 rupees. But now what you have to give them is what gift they want. Mercedes car. Or if you give them Mercedes car, then they think, we got a proper wedding gift. Even the ordinary car, you know, they don't want. They want probably Mercedes nowadays. But there's a value. Mercedes. In the America, the America president used the bomb protected car. I'm saying that Nanda Maharaj, why did he have snan in this Asur time before Brahma Murtha? We cannot say there is a fault of Nanda Maharaj. We cannot say that he doesn't have Gyan of Shastra. Then if we say that he doesn't have any Gyan of Shastra, we cannot say that he had. Because if you have Snan at Asura time, then it's inauspicious. So what, Nanda Maharaj didn't know that? Of course he knew that. Then why did he have bath at that time? Yeah, it wasn't Brahma Murtha. Why did he have bath before Brahma Murtha? Then our acharyas in Tika, they said, the very first reason is, in order for Bhagavan to do the future Leela, so what he did in his mind, how he arranged in his mind, Yogamaya arranged in the mind of Nand Baba, that he thought, it was Brahma Murtha. So he had a bath. So he had a snan in the river. At that time they didn't have watch. There was no clock at that time. At that time, during the day, they would look at the position of the sun. Even many times, even nowadays, many people they they then they look at the time and so like here, you'll know where the sun rising. But nowadays you have also compass. What I'm trying to say here is that Nanda Maharaj, we cannot say that he didn't have Shastra Gyan. It's just to do Bhagwan Leela. So Yog Maya arranged in such a way that in his mind, she arranged that Nanda Maharaj thought that it was Brahma Murtha. When he had snan, then Ancha means the servants of Lord Varun Dev, and they took Nanda Baba to where? To Varun Lok, to the planet of Varun Dev. And then it was in the morning, early, then everybody was searching for Nanda Maharaj. So they thought, oh, Nanda Maharaj must have gone to have a snan. But so all the Brajvasis, so they were loudly and crying, very loudly and crying voice. They were saying, "Hey Krishna, hey Ram." That means the Varun Dev have taken Nanda Baba to Varun Lok. What did Krishna do? When Krishna heard this, Krishna Bhagavan, Krishna, he went to Varun Lok, one planet of Varun. When he went to Varun Lok, Varun Dev had darshan of Krishna. He was very, very happy, and he prayed. All Alankar, Puspa, Chandan, they all started to worship Krishna with Chandan, Pushpa, flowers, and all the paraphernalia. Then Shri Varun Dev said, "Hey Bhagwan, please give us, because of your kripa, you've given us darshan. This is the goal. This is the goal of the jivas of a darshan of Bhagwan. If you don't have, Varun Dev is saying that." Varun Dev is saying, "Hey Prabhu, you are Sakshat, you have come on this earth planet to deliver the jivas. But if the jivas cannot have darshan of you, then their life is wasted." In our Chaitanya Charitra, Krishna Das Kaviraj Swami said, "What is the fruit of the eyes? What is the fruit of the eyes? To have darshan of Vigraha, darshan of a Bhagwan's deity, or darshan, Tammo Phalan, Sanganam. What is Jiya Sangam? What is the fruit of the tongue? The eyes, the fruit of the eyes is to have darshan of Thakurji. And the Jiva, the tongue. Why have we got tongue?
भगवान की गुणकीर्तन करनी
Said we
फलम
can speak the qualities, the glorify Bhagwan.
तनो फलम
No phalam.
इस शरीर धारण किए हम तो पैर भगवान किस लिए दिए
Why has he given us hands
भगवान की चरण कमल के स्पर्श करने के लिए
to touch the lotus feet of Bhagwan?
ये गोले मोड़ छोड़कर देख
If you go to Gaudiya Math, all the other sampradaya other than Gaudiya Math,
मंदिर में प्रवेश करा देते जाओ भगवान की चरण कमल के स्पर्श करो
so you can go to other temples,
हम लोग
but you
मंदिर
can
में
go and touch the lotus feet of Bhagwan.
और दूसरी संप्रदाय में जा
But if you go to other sampradayas,
यह तो भी जगन्नाथ मंदिर में भी
even in Jagannath Mandir,
जगन्नाथपुरी जाए
if you go to Jagannath Puri, in Jagannath Mandir,
रुपया
if you give 100 rupees,
ऐसी कोई है 100 रुपया
there's a ticket, 100 rupees, you buy a ticket,
करके
and then with the
आप अंदर में
ticket,
चले जाओ
you can go inside
और
the altar
जगन्नाथ जी की
and
आरती करो।
you can hug or touch the
अगर टिकट
feet
नहीं
of
खरीदा,
Jagannath.
जो लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं
The
ऐसे
people who
धक्का
don't
आएगा,
pay.
बिल्कुल आपके जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन के लिए
If you don't have, you don't buy ticket, you have darshan, then there's such a dhaka, like everybody push you, and then you push. If you don't, they stand in they're waiting to have the darshan of Jagannath, and then
और
they
बाकी
will.
जो लोग हैं जिसके पास पैसा
So
नहीं
who
है,
don't have money, like they don't have
वो क्या
money,
करते हैं, सामने
they, there's a,
आगे चलते चलते इतने
so they
धक्का आ
come,
जाता है,
dhaka, people push so much from the back, and then you reach the lotus feet of lotus feet of Jagannath. I remember we went together,
बिल्कुल जो है जगन्नाथ जी के
we went, and we
और
were
यहाँ
said,
क्या करते हैं, आपने पैसा चढ़ाओगे ना
if you give the money,
चढ़ा दिया वो पंडाल नहीं देगी
oh, okay, so if you offer the money, and the money
पकड़ करके बोले आपके
Yeah.
आपके जन्म में देने नहीं देंगे
is, but the pandas will, if you give, like so what Maharaj is saying is like, when you have darshan at Jagannath Puri, he remembers one time when they went, so when you want to offer, let's say 100 rupees to Jagannath, Lord Jagannath, and you manage to somehow offer it at his lotus feet, then the pandas cannot touch that money. But what pandas will make sure is that you are never able to do that. And they will get hold of your hands or take the money from your hand.
जगन्नाथपुरी में जाओगे चलो जोर के बाद तो दो चार दिन
So
से
if you go to Jagannath Puri,
कभी जगन्नाथपुरी में जाना
if you go to Jagannath Puri,
एक लाइन लिखा रहता
there's a queue, there's a line. There's a line.
जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन
If it says-
के चरण स्पर्श करने के लिए वो टिकट घर लिया
If you want to, there's a sign there. It says that if you want to have darshan of the lotus feet of Jagannath, then you have to purchase a
तो आप
ticket,
लाइन में हो जाओ बस
and then you will stand in the queue and purchase the ticket.
और यदि आप नहीं करें
And then,
खरीदना नहीं
and then if you don't want to
देख करते करते करते
pay the
तीन
ticket,
दफा पार करके
then you
ऐसे
go to other
धक्का आएगा,
entrance.
बिल्कुल जगन्नाथ जी के सामने पूछा देंगे आप प्रभु जी के दर्शन कीजिए
There's so many people there that you'll get such a push from the back, then you end up at the lotus feet of
जगन्नाथ के
Jagannath.
चरण में पड़ गया
If you fall at
वो पंडाल निकलेगी
the money that you want to offer,
और जब
and
तक चरण में
that
नहीं
if
पड़े
that,
आप ऐसे पैसे उठाओगे ना तो उस पंडाल में
yes, yes. So, if,
मैं तो हैरान हो गया मैंने क्या की ऐसे क्यों मैंने क्या किया ऐसे किया भगवान की इच्छा हुई और जाकर चढ़ने में गिर गया
so the panda got hold of my hand, I had rupees there, but I made sure that the money was offered to the lotus feet of Jagannath.
क्योंकि बढ़िया तो पंडो चंद्र जी
Panda cannot touch it. It's a rule there, It's a rule. If the money touches the Jagannath,
वो अपने खजाने में रखते हैं वो
know,
ठाकुर जी के थे वो
and then that money is put separately in a pot, and that money is used for the seva for Jagannath.
तो मैं इसलिए यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं
So here,
ये अक्षरतान है ताकि सफल जी हाँ फलम
Chia, what is the purpose of the tongue? Kirtana.
अनुफलम ताकि ताकि सफल भगवान ने जी हमारी इंद्रिया आदि दिया किस
All the senses Bhagwan has given us
नाम भगवान की सेवा
for the purpose of the service of Krishna. Eyes is for the darshan of Thakurji, that you can, hands we can touch his lotus feet, and the legs parikrama. And with the legs, why has he given us legs? So we can do parikrama, dham parikrama, tulsi parikrama, mandir parikrama, gurudev parikrama. That is also comes under charan seva. हे भगवान, हे वरुण देव, so the Varun Dev is saying that now we feel that our body we have successful because we have darshan of you. So whatever wealth we have, param dhan.
क्योंकि आपके चरण कमल जो प्राप्त कर लेते हैं उस साक्षात रूप में
Whoever attains your lotus feet, they have attained mukti.
यहाँ पर मुक्ति कहने क्या है?
Here, what does the mean mukti? It's not Chaturvard mukti, not the Mayavadi mukti. Mukti. It's not dharma or artha. The mukti here, these 5 types of mukti. Saruja. The other 4 muktis. It's not even Vaikuntha mukti. Sakshat, Swarup Gyan. You know, Swarup Gyan. That you mukti and serve. Here the mukti means when you get your transcendental body, that mukti here we are talking about. And that with that body, then you can serve. So Swarup Gyan is when the Jeev attains his Swarup Gyan. And in that Swarup Gyan, he is serving Sakshat, Radha and Krishna. That is called mukti.
और ऐसे जो व्यक्ति आपके चरण कमल के दर्शन करते हैं
That person who's got mukti and has darshan of you,
इस संसार की समुद्र के पार करके
they will cross this material life, this ocean of material life.
नमस्कृतं भगवते ब्रह्मणे परमात्मने न जत्र सुरते माया लोक सृष्टि विकल्पनाः हे देव हे भगवान
Hey Dev, hey Bhagwan, hey
आप
Krishna,
सर्व ऐश्वर्यशाली
you are
और समस्त जीवों के नियंता परिपूर्ण स्वरूप है आप लोक सृष्टिकारिणी माया आपके स्पर्श कर नहीं सकते
you are Bhagwan, you know you are eternal Bhagwan. That Maya cannot touch you. To you, I pay my obeisances again and again. One is Mahamaya and one is Yogmaya. He's saying, Hey Prabhu, whoever takes the shelter of your lotus feet in a simple heart, they will cross this Mahamaya. This is a Gita sloka. Bhagwan is saying the Maya, that's my Maya. To cross this Maya is not easy, it's very strong. Is that Maya is very, my Maya. When he says my Maya, Mahamaya. Here we are talking about Mahamaya. To cross this Mahamaya and to gain mukti is not easy. Then we can say, how can we get mukti? If Mahamaya is so strong, it's so difficult to cross. So what here Bhagwan saying is, Bhagwan is saying, one pointed, one nistha, with one nistha, if the jivas surrender to the lotus feet, to my lotus feet, then they will cross the Maya. No,
आप
sir.
माया की परीक्षा नहीं करते, उल्टा।
It's ulta, it's ulta. Like if somebody says Maya is giving me trouble. So no,
चाहते हैं जाओ,
Jao, Maya is not troubling me. Actually, you are troubling Maya. Maya is saying, "Arey, go, leave this Maya. Go to Bhagwan." But we are attached to this Maya. So we are. So sadhu guru are saying, "Arey, leave the Maya." नहीं sir. Text. Facebook. Chatting. The sannyasis are saying that, hey, brahmachari, don't chat with the girls on the WhatsApp chat. Then he said, Arey, kripa karo. Gurudev is kripa. He's saying he's kripa. Arey, don't go and fall in the cycle of this trap of marriage. They don't have money to buy a house or something. Then they go to the bank and the father is saying, sorry, I'm really sorry about this. But the father of the girl is saying, you cannot have my daughter because you don't even have a house. So what does this brahmachari do? Brahmachari goes to the bank to borrow money. I mean, so it's you are going to Maya. Bhagwan doesn't want you to get married. And then he goes to Gurudev. Gurudev, मैं क्या करूँ? What can I do now? And then he's saying, "Arey Gurudev, whatever you tell me, I will do as you tell me." So, but Gurudev is saying, "Arey, don't get married. Don't get married." And for this much money, will you be able to get a makan? Will you be able to get a house? But you will still go and buy a bank loan. You have to pay back the loan, right? And that will be very difficult for you. Every month you have to pay interest. How foolish you are. Bhagwan has given you so much. Bhagwan has given you the association of Mahatma. And still you want to get married. Arey, why are you missing Barbadi? Whoever's already get married, that's a different case. I'm not talking about that. Lie. You are in the association of sadhu. Why are you still going into Maya? Then that's called duplicity. Why is it called duplicity? You are saying to Guru that I'll do as you tell me. One day Gurudev used to teach that. One day there was a guru and a disciple. It was like cold weather. It was winter time. So it was very cold. The wind was so cold. And the Guru and the disciple were crossing the river. Sorry, they were walking by the bank of river. Their kambal, blanket. They saw this kambal, blanket. There was one blanket that was moving, in the river. So the Sishya, the disciple, the disciple said that, Arey, I don't get these nice blankets. They give nice blankets to my Gurudev, but nobody gives me nice blankets. So he thought, I'll take this blanket that was there by the river and then so he said, I'll take this blanket that he saw near the river and then I can also have this. So he started to walk and then Gurudev said, hey, where are you going? So he said, so Gurudev said, where are you going? So he said, oh Gurudev, I think there's a blanket there. So Gurudev said, no, it's not a blanket. So the disciple said, no, Gurudev, it is a blanket. But Gurudev said, no, it's not a blanket. So when he went and to pick the blanket, what was it? It was bhalu. Oh, bear. Yes. when he went, so like in Thandi, it was so cold, so this bear was shaking. So what did he do? This disciple got hold of this bear, thinking that it was a blanket, and then the bear got hold of this disciple, and so Gurudev said. So Gurudev said, let go of that blanket. So disciple is saying, I've let go of the kamal, I've let go of this blanket. But the blanket is not letting me go. But actually it wasn't a blanket, it was a bear. So the bear got hold of him and he wouldn't let go of the disciple. So similarly, like, this is just an example he's saying. So because yes. So we can say, so you can ask a question that you are staying with Gurudev and you are in Thakurji. So why can you say that Maya is touching that person? But then here Gurudev is saying that we have independence. We have independence. That so still, because of our independence, the independence that we have, but if we offer our independence to the lotus feet of the Guru, then the Maya will not touch you. The Maya will not touch us. Then you can say, why is that? They say, why is Maya touching me? I am serving Bhagwan, I am serving a Guru. Then why is my mind going to why have I got desire to get married? People will say, it's because of Bhagwan. No, it's not to do. It's not because Bhagwan is taking you that way. He gives us independence. There was one sevak, Govinda Kala Krishna, sorry. He was a sevak of Mahaprabhu. He was Kala Krishna. He used to serve Mahaprabhu. So he used to be with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He used to, but gypsies. So they came across this. They were walking by and there's a gypsy. Like gypsies stay from one place and then they move to the another place. Yeah, gypsies, what they do. So here gypsies, you hear that gypsies don't have work, then they steal also. So if they don't get job, if they don't have work in that place, then they move to another place. And they are called gypsy. They are called Bhattachari. So there was one beautiful girl in that gypsy community. So Kala Krishna Das, he was a sevak. He's sevak of Mahaprabhu, and then he got attracted to this girl, this gypsy girl. Then what did the Bhattacharya did? So but he said the gypsy said, oh yeah, okay, you can get married to this girl. You can marry our girl. So then Kala Krishna Das. Sad first guy. So he got trapped with this girl. So Mahaprabhu is saying, where is Kala Chand? Where is he? What is Mahaprabhu do? Mahaprabhu is Bhagwan. Mahaprabhu went, this where these gypsies were there. He said, to gypsy, hey, this is my sevak. Mahaprabhu said, this is my sevak, with his blade, like water weapons he took with him, like a stick. And they started to, gypsies started to hit this Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu said, he is my sevak. So the road, Hasya, all these sticks and rods, that Mahaprabhu did such a leela. What did Mahaprabhu do? This one gypsies, and they started to see what leela he did. That one gypsy, so another gypsy, but they were seeing Mahaprabhu in the gypsy. So they started to beat each other. And then Mahaprabhu got hold of the choti of Kala Krishna and took him. And then took him to Alarnath. Now he said, don't stay with us.
वहीं पर उसे छोड़ दो।
He left him there in Alanath.
इसी प्रकार
That's
हम
why
कहें जब भगवान का गुरु के पास रहने जो मुक्त हो जाएंगे, ऐसी बात नहीं।
it's not like that
माया
if
में
you stay,
कैसे चलता है?
if you stay with the Guru
किंतु जब
and
तुम
serve
गुरु
as
के
a
चरण
servant,
में
that
समर्पित
doesn't
नहीं
mean
करोगे, हजार
that
तुम
doesn't
सेवा
mean
करो,
you can do thousands of seva. But if you are not surrendered to a Guru, then Maya will be after you.
आप समझिए। इसलिए साधु सावधान।
Well, actually, Maya, it's not. You cannot say Maya will be after you, but you will. So your independence also, you offer it to
चलो यहाँ पर भी कर लीजिए, वरुण देव की स्तुति में भी
to
ऐसा
Gurudev.
है। हे भगवान, हे देव, आप सर्वैश्वर्यशाली और सबके नियंता हैं। आप परिपूर्ण स्वरूप है। लोक सृष्टिकारी ने माया आपके स्पर्श नहीं कर सकते। हैं? लोक सृष्टिकारी ने माया
the Maya will not touch you.
हैं? हे
So this
भगवान,
is what Varun
आपको मैं
Bhagwan is telling to
बार-बार
Krishna.
प्रणाम करता हूं।
He said, I am paying obeisances at your lotus feet again and again. He said, hey Bhagwan,
आप मुझे क्षमा करें।
please forgive. Varun Dev is saying to Bhagwan, please forgive me.
सेवकगण कौन करे? वरुण देव करे।
Varun Dev is
मेरे
saying,
सेवकगण
my servant,
आपके पिता को समझ नहीं पाए।
he did not understand your father. He didn't know that this is your father.
समय में आपके पिताजी
So he was having a snan at Ashur time.
मेरे सेवक लोग,
So my servant,
भृत्य लोग आपके पिता को पकड़ करके यहाँ पर
so he kidnapped your father and they brought your father here.
भृत्य के अपराध के स्वरूप मैं भी अपराधी।
So my servant, because of my servant, I am also Aparadhi.
हे प्रभु,
And so he's saying,
आप
hey
मुझे
Prabhu,
क्षमा करें।
please forgive me.
आप तो कृपा के सिंधु हो।
You are the Kripa, you are the...
इस प्रकार समस्त वरुण के सेवक भी
Even the Varun's
हमें
Sevak,
पर आकर के
Varun's,
भगवान
even Varun's Sevak, he started to pray, he did stutis at the lotus feet of Bhagwan and did a Dandavad Pranam and paid his obeisances to Bhagwan Krishna.
गोविंद नियतमेव पिता मे पितृवत्सलः। ये समदर्शी सबकी कृपा करने वाले, सबके प्रति समान दृष्टि रखने वाले
Hey Bhagwan, you are the savior of everyone.
हे भगवान, आप तो सभी के पिता स्वरूप हैं।
You are the father and mother of everyone.
सभी जीव आपके चरण में आश्रय लिए।
All the jivas have taken shelter of you. That's why your name is Narayan. All the jivs who take shelter of your lotus feet, that is Narayan. You are Narayan. And you are also Narayan.
हे गोविंदा,
Hey Govinda. Govinda means Govinda.
Govinda.
Govinda means who gives anand to all. Go, you can say go, gopis, braj, cows. So all of them you give anand to. So that's why your name is Govinda. Hey Govinda. Hey Krishna.
आपके नाम ही कृष्ण है।
Even your name is Krishna.
आप
Why?
सभी जीवों के जाए
Because you attract all the jivas with your beautiful roop. So that's called Krishna is Akarshan. Akarshan means attract all the jivas.
अर्थात संसार की जो आसक्ति के
The Santir Asta. Also you break their attachment, you bondage of this material life.
आपके नाम ही कृष्ण था।
That's also your name is Krishna.
कृष्ण
No, Kri means Akarshan, attract.
नच्च निवृत्ति वाचको प्रेमो अबुद्धंचति। समस्त जीव के हाथ
You all the jivas, you attract them.
फिर
And then
संसार की माया मोह
and then you break that bondage, destroy that bondage of that material life, and then give them anand. That's why you're Krishna.
आप सब कुछ देखते हो, आप परमात्मा के रूप में
You stay in the Paramatma, and you stay in everybody's, all the living entities' heart as Paramatma.
इस संसार में कुछ किसी व्यक्ति का छुपा सकते हो।
You cannot hide anything from this Bhagwan. Bhagwan knows everything. You cannot hide anything from Bhagwan.
इसलिए कहते हैं आप सर्वदर्शी पितृवर्षल।
You are Pitrivarsa, means
पिताजी के जैसे
You are like
स्नेह
father.
ममता पुत्र के
Pitri
प्रति है।
means you are like the
इसी
father.
प्रकार हे प्रभु
And
आपके हृदय में पितृवत्सल
You have got this Vatsalya. You are that
हे कृष्ण
the
आप हमें कृपा करें।
the Vatsalya bhav that a father and a son
आप कृपा
has.
करके अपने पिता
And
नंद
you-
महाराज के जो है
You please
आप अपने संस्थान
have
में
kripa that you uh, you you take your father
Krishna
Nanda Maharaj
Bhagavad.
who is here.
सुखदेव सिंह पास कहने
Then Sukadeva Goswami said,
कृष्ण भगवान हरीश्वरेश्वर आदयं गमात् सवितरं बन्धु बाणं च वहनमुदम्। सुखदेव सिंह पास कहने लगे हे महाराज परीक्षित,
Hey Maharaj Pariksit,
ब्रह्मा आदि समस्त देवताओं में जो ईश्वर के ईश्वर कहा जाता है,
Devata is she Brahma is Ishwar of
और
Devata.
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
The Bhagwan is the Bhagwan of the Devatas. And when Bhagwan heard the stuti, when he heard the prayers of the Vaman, he was very pleased. Krishna was very pleased and hearing the stutis of the and Krishna was pleased and Krishna took his father
and
he left. Then here Bhagwan and Bhagwan Krishna and he took his father to the Vrajvasis and it's known as a Utsav. Then they celebrated before. So he got to Vraj, Nand Baba got to the Vraj before the sunrise.
नंद महाराज जब समस्त ब्रजवासियों की समक्ष में निकट जब पहुंचे,
When he reached the Vraj, Vrindavan, Vraj, and all the Vrajvasis had tears in their eyes of joy that he's come back alive. When they had darshan of Nand Babaji, they were so much joyful. And they started to hug Maharaj, Nand Maharaj. And they said, oh, and they started to talk to him and ask him questions, where were you? And also Nanda Maharaj, and with all his dear ones, everybody used to ask Nanda Maharaj, oh, Nanda Maharaj, where did you go? Why, how, where did you go? How did Krishna come and get you here? So Nanda Maharaj was so much in Anand, so much happiness. And he said, and he decided, and he told them about Varun Dev, the Ishwarya, about the opulent, about Varun Dev. That how beautiful this Varun Lok is, Varun planet is. So Nanda Maharaj said, Varun Lok, all the servants of Varun Lok, that how they respected and paid obeisances and worshipped my son Krishna. So like Sadguru, when the Sadguru goes to a disciple's house, then the disciple worships Gurudev, beautiful petals of fragrance of roses and chandan, and worship Gurudev. Pushpa, flowers, and the fruits and flowers, all these offering, they offer that to the Guru. So in the same way, the Krishna, when he came to Varun Lok, Nanda Maharaj is speaking this. Okay, Nanda Maharaj said that when my son Krishna came, that in Varun Lok, how they worshipped him, how they served my son Krishna and worshipped him. That place is so beautiful. This is Varun Lok. Varun Lok. It was like Vaikunt, like so opulent. There's all pearls and money, pearls and jewels. So like that, Nanda Maharaj was describing glorifying the Varun Lok.
कथा को सुन करके
Then listen, all the Vrajvasi, after listening to this katha, so this Vrajvasi, the Vrajvasis, they said, "Hey Krishna,
देखो हम लोग भी एक बार
we also want to go to Varun Lok. Please take us there as well. We want to also have Varun Lok."
कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर
First I said they are also Nitya Parikar. They are Nitya Parikar of Krishna. They are Prakash of Krishna.
माता पिता
The Nitya father and mother and Sakhas,
अपने के साधारण
they,
जीव समझते हैं
they used to think of themselves as ordinary jivas.
महिमा न जानो
They didn't know their own glorification. They never used to glorify themselves. The Vrajvasis said,
ये लोग सोचते हैं मैं साधारण एक
Vrajvasis were thinking that we are ordinary, we are, jivas, we are ordinary jivas.
कृष्ण के जो परिकर
But Krishna's parikar are not jiva tattva.
सिद्धांत में गलत
In
हो जाता है।
Siddhanta, sometimes it said Siddhanta is mistake. There is one jiva tattva and there is parikar tattva. So there is two.
जो कहाँ पर प्रकाश होता है
Jiva tattvas, where do they manifest? Tataksha Shakti. Tataksha Shakti.
जीव नामक शक्ति से जीव प्रकटित होता है जिसका
जे-
जीव नाम से शक्ति कहा है जीव शक्ति जो है
Jiva Shakti,
वो जीव प्रकट होता है
yeah, jeeves are manifested from
भगवान की परिकर
potency,
कहाँ से प्रकट होती
Tata
है?
Shakti.
ना भगवान की
But Bhagwan's parikar, where do they make?
वो परिकर तत्व
They are from Nitya Siddha, from the spiritual world.
कभी जो है
The jeeves
भगवान के जो तत्व शक्ति व
from the
जीव
Tata
शक्ति,
Shakti.
शक्ति कहा गया है।
It's
ठीक नाम
Tataksha
से।
Shakti.
जीव
Jivas can
शक्ति
be,
कहा जाता है।
you can say Jiv Shakti or
तत्व शक्ति कहा
Tataksha
जाता है
Shakti or
विभिन्न नाम से शक्ति
Vivinat
कहा जाता
Shakti.
है। जीव के जो उत्पत्ति के बारे
The
में
Jiv can be,
अनेकों विचार भेद
there is
हैं।
all
ये
many.
साधारण रूप में समझ
But in the simple way, we can
ये
understand
सब
that.
जीव भगवान की
The
माया के
jeeves-
द्वारा मोहित होने के संभावना
So
रहता है।
Jiv,
वही हो सकता है।
Jiv that absorbed in Maya, but the parikar, the Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan,
जैसे नंद
like Nanda, Jashoda, Subal, Sita, Radha,
ये
Gopi,
सब तो भगवान की
they are parikar, they are Swarup Shakti, they are the Prakash, they are manifested from Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan. Externally they looks like Jiva, but they are not Jiva Tattva. We are saying they are called parikar, they are parikar. Even they come to Bhoma Liva. They come on this material love is a Bhoma, and they think of themselves as ordinary Jivas. So that's why you should see the difference between Jiva Tattva and Parikar. Subal and Nanda Baba and they are Parikar Tattva. They will never be absorbed. The Maya can never touch them. But just because to do Bhagavad Leela, so Yog Maya in their mind, it just arranges that they are in their mind. Yog Maya arranges such a way that they are just ordinary jivas. That's what they are called Vrajvasis. Who are Vrajvasi? They are Swarup Shakti. They are Prakash. They are manifested from the Swarup Shakti of Krishna. That they have Ekanti, one-pointed vast, their tan, man, jivat, their mind, the soul, the body, everything is only for Krishna. Whatever they do, eat, sleep, everything is for the Krishna. They are not jivas. 24 hours. The 24 hours, jivas cannot keep 24 hours absorbed in Bhagwan. But these these parikars, they are observed for 24 hours in Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadev Goswami says, Vrajvasi Sastra. I'm not saying it's Bhagavad is saying this sloka. The Vrajvasi 24 hours, their mind is absorbed in Krishna. Jivas cannot do that. Jivas cannot be totally absorbed for 24 hours in Bhagwan. But the parikars are totally absorbed 24 hours. Parikar, that's parikar. It's still Nanda Baba and Jashoda, but they're still thinking of themselves as just ordinary conditional soul.
फिर तो ये जीव तत्व नहीं।
But that's not Jiva Tattva, they are Parikat
आइए
Tattva.
इसलिए ब्रजवासी जन
That's what the
भगवान की
Vrajvasis,
कृपा से, भगवान की इच्छा से,
by the Icha of, by the desire of Bhagwan,
धाम से इस प्रपंच में
so they have come from the Nityalil, they have come for the purpose of Leela.
श्रीमद् भागवत में तो चिकन कर
Srimad Bhagavatam.
स्वयं भगवान नित्य प्रभु वृंदावन धाम
That Bhagwan has come, Bhagwan from the transcendental, from the spiritual world, he's come onto this Bhoma, Vrindavan. He's brought all his parikat with him. But still, they always think of them as ordinary, conditional souls, ordinary jivas.
आइए जिस कथा जो हम करें उसी प्रकार ये ब्रजवासी लोग
So this Vrajvasi says, hey Krishna,
तू तो नंद महाराज को केवल नंद इसको दिखाया
that you said, so Vrajvasis are telling Krishna, you took Nand Babas to Varun. So hey beta Lala, hey Lala, also do some favor to us. We also want to go to Varun Dev. Please take us there. We want to see what Varun Dev is said.
चार धाम में जाना है
So we want to also go to fourth dham. Hey Kanaya, you take us there as well.
कृष्ण बोले
Hare Krishna said,
तो माता पिता सुखदेव प्रकाश ये अपने के सर के नहीं जानते हैं
my father,
गंगा स्नान करेंगे
like
मकर स्नान अभी आएगा।
Makar Snan. So
गंगा स्नान करे तो कहाँ पर कलकत्ता के
Makar Snan, they have Ganga Snan.
गंगा सागर में स्नान कृष्ण बोले
Krishna said,
कहाँ मेरे माता पिता
where is my mother and father?
कमल की रस प्राप्ति करने के लिए
Who
गंगा में
can-
तड़पते हैं
Even the Ganga is also wanting to get the dust of the lotus feet of my Nand Baba and Jashoda Maya. Even all the teeth and all the rivers, all the holy rivers, they are eager, they are waiting, they are eagerly want to take the dust of the lotus feet from Nand Baba and Jashoda Maya.
समस्त तीर्थ आदि
All the tirthadis, they are doing stutis to get the dust of the lotus feet of Radharani.
और वही ब्रजवासी क्या
And then what are you Vrajvasis are doing? Hey Kanaya, please take us also to this. We also do Ganga Snan.
कहाँ मेरे माता पिता
And yes,
इसलिए कृष्ण ने कहा कि अपने मन की चिंतन किया
so what did Bhagwan do?
मन से ही
With his mind.
गंगा प्रकट हुई अब
So Ganga appeared. So the Vrajvasis, they also wanted to have Ganga Snan. Ki Jai. And with his mind, the Ganga appeared. And that is called Mansi Ganga. The Vrajvasis said, look, this is Ganga. Here's Ganga.
अब साक्षात देखा
So this Vrajvasis, they saw Ganga.
आती है ना
You know when Ganga is flowing, Kalkal,
नहीं इसके ऊपर गंगा देवी किसको विराजमान होते हैं
or Shivji, Magarmach.
Oh
yeah. So that is actually Ganga from Magarmach. That's what Vrajvasis also saw, that not the Asli Ganga, the real. Kal. The Ganga came. Then Ganga Devi came, manifested. Here, look, Krishna said to Vrajvasis, oh, look, Ganga is here. So all the Vrajvasis are, Arey Kannaya, you done such a magic. This is magic. That how you, there are in this winter, who would go where the Ganga is up north? Isn't that true? So it's all the four dham. They wanted to go for four dham. You have to go to four dham. It's Gangotri, Jamuna, Kedarnath, Haridwar, Badrinath and Haridwar. Yes. Vandiyari Lal Ki Jai. And Krishna manifested all those dhams in Vrindavan.
हो गया चलो गंगा स्नान करो आप निवासी लोग जाएंगे गुरु दर्शन करने के लिए हाँ सोमवती अमावस्या आज काल में सूर्य ग्रहण भी जैसे भी भारत में अदृश्य है काल जी सबको स्नान करना चाहिए ना गंगा जमुना में, है ना? सबको गंगा जमुना में काल स्नान हो जाएगा, है? कथा के द्वारा बोलो जय जय श्री राम।